Welcome back to AutoTherapy. My name is Brian, and today we're going to be talking about engine air filters and cabin air filters and why you should replace them, and I'm going to show you how to replace them. Let's get started, and first we'll talk about the engine air filter. Now that we have the hood of the car open, we want to talk about the engine air filter. And why do we need to replace this? It's because in front of your car there is an air intake where air comes in and your engine uses it for combustion purposes. And the purpose of the engine air filter that we have like this, which I got on Amazon for only like $12, is to prevent dust, dirt, and other environmental contaminants from getting into your engine. And over time the air filter becomes dirty and clogged, and we need to be able to replace it. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So here in my Honda Accord, you can see that we have an air intake right here. There's an opening here which lets air in and go through the compartment where the engine air filter is being held and go through the rest of the car. Now, for this engine air filter, very easy. We have one clip here and one clip here. You just open the clip here and you open this clip here, and then this compartment comes right out. And that's all. And now you can see you have an engine air filter. This just comes out like this. And you can see this one is now all black. There's dust and leaves. There's a lot that goes into here, and we need this to be clean. You can see the difference between this one and this one. It's a really big difference. So now you just take the new one and you put it back into place. And then you close the compartment. Just like that. And put the clip back on. 1, 2. And that's how you replace your engine air filter. Now we're going to be talking about the cabin air filter, which is this guy right here. This one does not have a rubber housing around it and is just a filter itself. The purpose for this filter is to catch any debris, dust, pollen, anything that goes to the air conditioning system before the air gets pumped out of your vents here. And you don't want to breathe in any pollutants. So we have to make sure we replace this about every 12,000 miles or about once a year. In most cars, the cabin air filter is found in the glove compartment. So we open the glove compartment, and in some cars there'll be a hook on the right side, and in this case we do. So we take this off, and then on this wall, we push it towards the middle to open up the compartment even more. Once you open up the compartment, in the back you'll see a little door with 2 tabs on the right and left side. And this door comes right off. Once you get that off, you can see the air filter inside. Take the air filter out, and this one's quite dirty. There's a lot of dust in it and leaves, things you don't want going through your air conditioning system. And then you take your new filter and you just pop it right back in. Take the cover for the compartment, put that back, close it up, make sure you put the hook back on, and that's all for the cabin air filter. I picked up the engine air filter for $12 and the cabin air filter for $8, both on Amazon, where you can put in your car model and year and find products that fit your car. Just for $20, we completed some basic maintenance that you would probably need to do every 12,000 miles or about once a year. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time.